3-digit by 2-digit multiplication using factoring method. So especially for upper primary children, those are facing problem with directly multiplying with 2-digit. So this factoring method technique you can follow. Let us take one simple example. Okay, 637 multiplied with 56. So when they are facing problem and so I mean carrying rule or again writing in two different ways, we can split into the parts and we can multiply this. For example, 56. If you take this 56 using a prime factorization method, okay, 2, 28, again 2, 14, 2, 7, 7, 1, 0. So 637 we can multiply with 2, 2, 2, 7, 4 separate times. Instead of that, even if you observe, this 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 8 into 7. So up to single digit product you can write. If any number is given, what you should multiply with 2-digit number, make into product of two single digit numbers. Okay, instead of even you can write 14 into 4, but 14 is again 14 fours also 56, but 14 is again 2-digit number, right? So make into two single digit numbers, product of the two single digits, we make this. Now we can multiply just 637 into 56. So this is nothing but 637 into 8 into 7. So what we can do, first we can multiply with 8. Okay, first this part will simplify. So already you are perfect with 3-digit number multiplication with a single digit by splitting in different ways. So you can multiply with 8, that is 8 into 7, and the carrying keep in mind and do. With orally we can do this. So you will get 5096. So then that number answer you can multiply with 7. 5096 into 7. Already with a single digit, any huge number is given. You already practiced from the previous chapter in mentally in mind how to do. So this is 35,672. Or internally you can do. So this is the technique you can follow directly. Let me show one more example. Okay, let's take 144 into 76. To multiply this, not only 76, even you can take 144 also, product of the two digit numbers. Okay, here I am taking 144. This is 6 into 6 into 4. 3-digit number. You can just apply the prime factorization concept, right? 144. Now you can just guess this. 72, again 2, 36, 2 18s, 2 9s, again 3 3s, 3 1s. So make into single digit instead of all so many. Just 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6, 2 into 2 is 4. Like this, or anyway whatever it is, the number is given, make into product of the single digits, then you can multiply this. So 76 into 6 into 6 into 4, that is the answer for this. So you can multiply the 2 net. Okay, first 2, 76 into 6, 456, because already a perfect with single digit, any number is multiplication in internally in mind. 6 into 4, this answer again multiply with 6 now, that is 636 37 2736 into 4. Next finally can multiply this both with 4. So 6 10 944 is 10,944. So just you can actually without using any pen and paper, just calculating internally, this is the concept. So because by remembering the previous number with single digit you can multiply. So this little practice required. Then without using pen and paper, in orally in mind also we can calculate this any 3-digit number by 2-digit, making two single digits by factoring method. So making into factors and we can do this. Same 3-digit by 2-digit number, just we will see how to do with addition method.